In today's video, I'm going to teach you replace your Pinterest profile photo. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose a photo that looks great across your boards and pins. First, open your web browser and head over to pinterest.com. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to update so the changes apply to the right profile. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might appear as your current picture or as your initial. Click that icon to open your account menu. From that menu, choose Profile. This takes you to your public profile page where you can see your display name, bio, and your current profile image. On this page, find and click the Edit Profile button. It's typically near your name and bio and opens a panel or page with your profile details. Within the editing area, locate your profile photo section. Right on the image area, you'll see the option to change. Click Change. This opens your computer's file picker so you can select a new image. Now choose the photo you want to use as your profile picture and click Open. Pinterest will begin uploading and processing your image. Give it a moment to finish. Once it's done, you'll see your new profile picture appear in the preview. A few quick tips to help your photo shine. Pick a clear, well-lit image with your face centered if it's a personal account, or a clean, recognizable logo if it's for a brand. Pinterest displays your profile photo in a small circular frame in many places, so a square image with some space around the subject works best. Common file types like JPG or PNG are ideal. If your photo looks off-center after upload, try a version with a little more background around the subject so it fits comfortably inside the circle. And if the change doesn't appear right away on other pages, simply refresh your profile or browse a few pins. Sometimes it takes a moment to update across the site. That's all there is to it. Go to Pinterest, open your profile, edit your profile, click Change on the photo, and select your new image. With a few clicks, you'll have a fresh look that better represents you or your brand every time someone discovers your boards. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your updated Pinterest profile photo.